First, we will introduce the time, that is t is equal to 0 colon 0.05 colon 2. And actually, what is the meaning of this t? That t is just a vector here, and it starts from 0 and ends at 2. That is, the vector t starts from 0 and ends at 2, while having a difference of 0.05 between its the lowest and the highest element. Then we will come towards the frequency, and we initialize the frict1 variable with 4. Then again one more variable, that is frict2, which is actually having the frequency for the second signal. Now we are going to create sine signal. So 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by frict1 multiplied by t cos of 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by frict2 multiplied by t. Then we will do convolution of the signal x and the signal y. So x comma y, and we will also plot the answer. Now you can see that both signals are convolved, and the result is on the plot.